And from day one, I wanted new cabinets. But we didn't know that you could just resurface them. We thought, oh, okay, we're gonna have to figure out our budget and it's gonna be new cabinets. We went to a home show in Tinley Park, and there were a lot of vendors there, but Redo Cabinets were the only ones that said we didn't have to tear down our cabinets, they could resurface them. They have great customer service. They're not pushy, they're not assertive. They let you ask questions and they answer them. They're friendly and honest, and if you call them, they'll answer your question right away. No problems. I would say refacing is a great way to go. It's great for your budget. The cabinets turn out beautiful. I mean, why go in a more expensive route? I'm a believer in refacing your cabinets instead of replacing them.